Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window of Facebook Lite and you will enter here in this page. After that, in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.